Welcome to Lot 296 at Loon Point. With a large 1.62 acres to use, you've got lots of trees back here to keep you nice and quiet and private. Enjoy all that breeze and shade that's coming through. You're close to the walking trails right here. And then one of the best things about these properties is they come off of Nature Drive, which is one of our only paved roads through the villages of Long Lakes. So nice, easy access. You're gonna have the best of everything, back to nature, and yet a nice paved road right out front. Let's go back and have a look. Lot 296 is a really special location in the fact that it offers not only easy access to and from the villages of Long Lakes, but you have a walking trail just outside of one of the property lines here, but still tons of treed area to keep yourself tucked back and nice and private. Plus you got over 1.6 acres to work with back here. Lots of room, lots of privacy, and the comfort of everything else that Loon Point has to offer. We've come to the back edge of the property line here, and we're going to make our way along the back portion, but this lot goes a long way back. You don't really realize how big 1.62 acres is until you really start to walk it. I'm sure you got a lot of trees back here, but still really a ton of room to do whatever you want. And really, as you move towards the interior and the middle of the property, along the back here, it gets really quiet again, which is just perfect. That's what we're looking for. As we make our way back now up the other side of the property line here, it's not overly wide, but it makes up for it in depth. It's a long, deep property. And you're still seeing little bits of that sunlight come through. So there are spots in here that you can thin out to enjoy that sunshine. And ahead of us there, you can see Nature Drive again. Lot 296, as I've said before, offers a ton of opportunities. If you want to be close to that main access, nice paved road, that makes you feel better, well, that's what you have with this. You've got a walking trail just outside one of your doors, but at the same time, you have over 1.6 acres to yourself, allowing you that privacy and that quiet. And really, being where you are, almost centrally located, it's easy to access all the amenities that Loon Point and the villages of Long Lake have to offer.